Do you agree that starting is the hardest part of anything? I did. Until I figured out how to make it easier, and now I'm gonna answer some questions to push you to start. So pay attention. It's not that hard. Where? In your own space. Why? Because you're able. How? With just two things. What? A pen and paper. It is that simple. But its simplicity made it hard to notice how it is making such a difference. We have been doing it our whole lives, so I'm sure you know how to make a list. Yes, a list. It makes life so much easier. It is very convenient. It keeps your mind clearer, so why not start with it? Think about it. A shopping list helps you organize your budget and needs. A journal is easier when you only need to list like 3 things. Big tasks become bearable when you divide it into little ones. Plus, it's rewarding to check off a task when it's done. When you start with a list for a big or small challenge, you'll see that there is a lot that you can manage. It's like a structure. You have the power in different aspects. And if you're like me, well, you won't forget it. I compiled a list of lists in different categories just for you, and the first link in my description will guide you through. Now breathe. Remember this. Starting does not always have to be hard, but it is the most important part. No need to fear, delay, or feel uncertain. It is not a wall. It's just a step. And now that you've started, good luck with what's next.